5 tips to help you when you fall asleep. In order to relieve the painful pain of having the neck fall asleep, it is important to first rest the neck and then combine cold and warm therapy to relieve the pain and inflammation symptoms. A symptom called trapezius contracture or misplacement. Sitting life, computer work, spine and posture problems. The trapezius muscle is a wide range of muscles that stretch from the back of the neck to the shoulders and back and is located on the surface of the back, and simply trying to remove something from the floor or the ground can damage this muscle. If you hurt her, you will feel burning pain just by breathing. 1. Rest. It often causes damage to the connective tissue between the shoulder blade and the shoulder blade, which is also where the patient feels pain or restricted movement. If you feel pain, you need to rest. Take a break for at least a week and do not lift or carry heavy objects during this time. Also, do not wear slings on your shoulders as they will have the opposite effect. Physical therapy with simple movements is given to gradually treat the affected area. 2. Ice pack to relieve the symptoms of falling asleep. It is very effective to cool the affected area while resting it. Its analgesic effect relieves symptoms while reducing inflammation. However, if the pain is severe, be sure to see a doctor and follow the doctor's treatment policy while taking the medicine prescribed by the doctor. Cold therapy is very effective, so it is recommended to take a warm shower and then apply an ice pack to your muscles. 3. Ginger tea. Recommended natural remedies to reduce pain and inflammation. It is an anti-inflammatory ingredient and has a great effect on muscle tension and joint pain. It is a good idea to drink 1 cup of ginger tea containing 250 mg to 1 gram of powdered ginger 3 cups a day. 4. Daily stretching exercise. Stretching to regenerate the elasticity of the muscles and joints around the trapezius muscle. It is important to always improve the symptoms under the guidance of a doctor or physiotherapist. However, if you don't have a specialist nearby or you can't see a doctor, do a quick stretch at home. The exercise in the above picture is recommended. Let's start with the simplest one. Place one hand next to your head and tilt your head for a while. You can then stretch your trapezius muscles by leaning forward and gently lowering your hands toward the floor. Please do not overdo it at your own pace. 5. Natural remedies with castor oil. Castor oil is a natural remedy that is effective for neck pain. It relieves the main symptoms of falling asleep: pain, inflammation, and muscle tension. Also, take advantage of old-fashioned natural remedies that are effective in relieving the pain of arthritis. Things necessary: 1 soft cloth, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 30 grams, a warm towel or heating pad. How to use. First, warm the soft cloth. It is recommended to place it on the stove or heating. Inhale 2 tablespoons of castor oil into a warm cloth. Lying down, apply this cloth to the affected muscle. Place a heating pad or warm towel over it and let it warm for a while. Can be done every day.